Towering over 12 feet tall, covered in thick, shaggy fur, the woolly mammoth roamed the icy tundras for thousands of years. They survived ice ages, hunted in herds, and left their footprints in history. Yet, despite their dominance, they vanished. How did one of the most resilient creatures on Earth disappear forever? For thousands of years, mammoths thrived in the cold, adapted to the harshest conditions. Their curved tusks, sometimes reaching up to 15 feet long, helped them dig through ice to find food. Their thick fur and layers of fat shielded them from temperatures that would freeze most animals in minutes. But even these evolutionary advantages could not save them. Around 10,000 years ago, the mammoth population began to dwindle. Some scientists point to climate change as the main culprit. As the last ice age ended, temperatures rose, and vast grasslands that once stretched across North America, Europe, and Asia began to shrink. The mammoths, dependent on these landscapes for survival, found their world disappearing beneath them. But there was another threat, one far more relentless. Humans, early hunters, armed with spears and strategy, targeted mammoths for their meat, bones, and fur. Evidence of hunting sites, with bones carefully stripped of flesh, suggests that humans played a role in their extinction. The combination of environmental changes and relentless hunting pushed the mammoths to the edge. In a desperate attempt to survive, the last mammoths found refuge on isolated islands, such as Wrangel Island in the Arctic. Here, they lived for thousands of years longer than their mainland relatives. But their numbers were too small, and with time, even these survivors faded into history. Today, scientists uncover frozen mammoth remains in the Arctic permafrost, their bodies preserved for thousands of years. Some researchers even propose bringing them back through genetic engineering, using DNA to revive the species. But should we do this? Would mammoths have a place in the modern world, or is their time forever lost?